Jambeli Literary Foundation pen Dipu Arboretum along Hiljir Arongaje KBGR ni kapacita. Borpani Reserve Forest pen Kevang Habil Ingnar Ajoine Tuar Pikidam Kevang Arat Kacheleng Katora. Karbiang Autonomous Council pen MEC Barima Tumaphan Pension Kapanong Ningkan Surhini la Crescent Cap la pen Inkoi Dihina Ninkana Phan Kuti Pharoga Thomra Inkoi la Heni Susia Tangka Kapanong Kardong ada bertang pen liberta than bang thare harmony ben non bertang ton pen RG tha There po Inkoi la pen Inkoi la CR ni Difu Arboretum and Craft Center along Jambeli Literary Foundation pen Difu Hiljir Arongaje Mate Difu Poetry Festival Padoji Pusi JLF Amaipu Lapen akonjen bang Therepo trok ardi pherangke phan thanpachini Jambeli Literary Foundation pen Therepo Inkoi la pen Inkoi CR ni Difu Matipung Arboretum and Craft Center along Difu Hiljir Arongaje KBG phan sikdang bomlo Nonapong Kidoji Hiljir Arongaje along Khekreni Hirbangamai Tomoge than Hiljir kachapate Lamet Pimar kachatong Lo athui kangpu krungsai pherangke hamphang pen kachingki kachathan haihui doji Karbiang long pen Anparta Arunachal Pradesh pen Saitia Academy Anong Ikelong Dr. Kusumbar Bini Nonga Chathangklong Alamet Po Tokbang Chapbang Homen Borgong Hai Lapen Phumen Phulong Urutemen Mate Arlenkesar Alamet Pomar Lapen Hirbang Po Hirbang Pimar Dipu Hiljir Arongaje Long Nangchitong Dunji Pusi JLF Amai Pu Welsing Hanse Lapen Chunbang On Teronatum Pachetak Alopen Pachetang
Karbialam kapacang, lapan karbialamet kapacang. Karbialam kangtur, lapan karbialamet kangtur. Itung karbiakai lamet lamcong, kosong si kau pilih ceklan lolong itu. Itung karbialamet lamcong, kosong si bangkai kaprek akai tu, akan tu yang nengle akai tu macam ni mah. Labang so putak resemet keman polo. Lapan tu labang so poetry festival pada tu keman pun lagi. Jasa pada wimi itu nona por yang karbialam ham kasih pangkreba itu kadu kabita belum sampai itu yang langsung kadu kabita metang alam tiardi itu dia panen itu mah itu tamori itu aning apa yang dia parung itu kemang kan
West Karbiang long lapen Nugong District angbo Chihoilok Borpani Reserve Forest pen Tuar pi along Ingnar kewang ajok kacheleng arat kidam kewang siksak olu pusi baithalang sopen nilitum pherang ke kat news along berta nang pale Kampur pen baithalang suka chelenga Tuar along Habit ingnar ke do ajok Tuar pi kidam kewang arat siksak olu pusi Tuar kidam kewang arat pherang ke angno ningli renti Rongasor areng ke sujur ingnar aphan Tuar along ke thek long pen Kampur ingnam raikom sai kamaphan pachinilu sita ingnam raikom atum ke sujur ingnar aphan sekelang jalam chethandet lelang putar birta ringlong
মানে ইয়াতে শুই আছিলে 9:15 মান বজাত ইফালৰ পৰা চৈ আহি পেলাই ইয়াতে শুলে এটা শুই আছে বুলি কৈ পাব্লিকে ক'লে আমি লগে আহিলোঁ আহি দেখিছোঁ মানে হাতীটো আগফালৰ পূব ভৰিখন অলপমান ইনজিঅ'ৰ হৈ আছে শকত হৈ থকা দেখিছোঁ আৰু কিন্তু এনে কিবা স্পট বা গুলি চুলি লগা নিচিনা নাই পোৱা মানে আগৰ পৰা বহুত দিনৰ আগৰ পৰা এইটো ৰূপটো আছে নিচিনা লাগিছে আজিহে আহিছে সেইটো কাৰণে কেনেকৈ ৰিজাৰ্ভতো ইয়াতে আপোনাৰ মাটি দখল কৰিলেই ৰাইজে আজি বহুত দিনৰ আগতে গছ গছনিবিলাক সাস্তান হৈ গ'ল তেওঁলোকে থাকিবলৈও জেগা নাইকিয়া হৈ গৈছে এতিয়া আপোনাৰ বনাঞ্চলৰ ঠাইবিলাক বনাঞ্চলত থৈছে গতিকে চিকিৎসা ব্যৱস্থাৰ কাৰণে আমি কামপুৰ বন বিভাগ লৈ আমি প্ৰেৰণ কৰিছোঁ বাৰ্তা তেওঁ আহিব অলপ পিছত
Karbiang Autonomous Council peningkan surhini la krisir kep la pen Inkoi dihina ningkan along MEC Barima Tumaphan pension ki PG alam cheparai Council budget along Karbi risinimso Arongaje aphan lak phokep Karbi lamet amaya phan lag Inkoi atangka panongpon MEC atum pening abajet ke Rod budget pu hoksi budget kereng ang thek chepaklang dun renti
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Station Hall along Terepo Po Arni, Lapen Terepo Trok Arni Kangni Autonomous Council Station along Ninkan Suri Hini Rakresir Kep, Inkoi Dihina Ninkanapan Kuti Paroke Tomra Inkoi Rahini Sose, Atanka Panong Si Terepo Trok Arni Station along Chiton Sarpen Chiparai Pontanglo. Maipu Mate Chairman Long Kitimung, Chipahempu Station along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang, Abanka Viatok Alang Lilar, EM Amorsing Tisosi Council Budget Kedenga Padeng Pachunsi, Pining Ninkan, a budget ke Radapan Ali Kevangji budget Lapen Karbi Anglong, Apan Kaching Tur Arajet Heglong Popus EM Tiso, Ning Chipatedam. Dihin Kimia budget along MSC Barimatum Apan, Pension Kipiji, Apan Sai Kedenke, Isi Purkimo Kiteng no position along MSC Atum Ningjerinti. Di uping maslai budget alam ke jaya along Karbi Lamed Amayapan Council Pendihin Kirapa Ong Nangji position along Ningje. CM Tuliram Ronghang Guwahati along Kenang Soda Sai ke Doajok Alang Lilar Amorsing Tiso Pensi Council budget session along Kedenga Padeng Pachunsi Monsa Mangbong Dihin Amay Pajut Ponlo.
Non malam support and bertamu don ponik sine.
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now, the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now, this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose. But in the polling station, this control unit is kept with the presiding officer. And these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment. So that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4. He just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it simultaneously we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds, and simultaneously there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent requests the returning officer under section 56D for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the controller. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because all the time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked, and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust and integrity, machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
Right.
Uff, ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap. Pipot lo nangina cusir ham tamle ingisu. Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo. Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati. Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita. Madhari, lo nalam prayer beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke. Kalang ma, konat lo lake. Di foi ti arlo Iron Bridge adong rong supia long ke cengsi sopin so la pensoar lo tu kapamada dim lo. Kalang ma. Kalang lo, ke cengsi sopin so la pensoar lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikji. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor, near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road. Claret Beauty Parlor. Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinahumrig mo. Turkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Turkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Turkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la pentesiri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang Tharwe alam, Teso alam, Kecho ajam tu, Tharmit aduk, Telua kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamo piputat bertalong wangtulong. longka murajar along chainong pen pen bang pli chainong kang hu aphan kene be berta longka pen kad news along berta nang pale Hojai district Borani Kakia rong amekar Kesop Johan Achainong Kachong hua tuma phan longka murajar along aok kejor boma khot chainong aempu humri dun se kang hua tuma phan apialo patini dun chainong kang hu bang piamen lakit Naji Uddin Abdul Kuddas Najarul Islam Lapen Saheb Uddin hello Alang litum phathere poke thomarni rat nepsi keton kelang aphan pajirda
কোপা কৈছিলা বল না কি নাম তোমার নাজিমুদ্দিন রাইজা কিয় ধৰি থৈছে
এন্তে মিছা মিছা আমাৰ নাম কৈছে বুলি আমি গৰু আনি হেতক দিছো
কোনে নাম কৈছে
এই তিনিজন
কি গৰু আনিছিলা
কি গৰু আছিল
সস না কেটা গৰু
এটা আছে আমি নাজানো
গৰু কাটি দিলা কোনে কাটিলা কি নাম ইহঁত তিনটা কি নাম ইহঁত
এন্তে নাম নাজানো
কি নাম হ'ব বেটা
নাজানো আমি এন্তে
ৰাতি চুৰি কৰি বিহাৰী মানুহৰ গৰু আমাৰ মুছলিম মানুহে লৈ আহিছিল
কোনে কোনে আনিছে
ইয়াৰ পিছত সিহঁতৰ লোকেল মানুহ জড়িত থাকিব পাৰে জোৰাবাৰী ইয়াৰ কাৰণে আমালোক পীৰ বজাৰৰ পৰা আহি দেখিলো দেখাৰ পিছত এই চুৰকেইটাক তো মই চিনি নাপাওঁ মই ইৰিগেশ্যনত চাকৰি কৰোঁ শুনা পাইহে মই আহিছোঁ যমুনা ইৰিগেশ্যনত মই চাকৰি কৰোঁ এতিয়া আমাৰ কথা হ'ল জাতিৰ এটা বদনাম কলংকৰ কাৰণে মই আহিছোঁ মুছলিম মানুহ আছে আৰু বিহাৰীও থাকিব পাৰে বাঙালীও থাকিব পাৰে বেলেগ বেলেগ জাতিও থাকিব পাৰে
কেজনক ধৰিছে এতিয়া
4জন মুছলিম মানুহ ধৰা পৰিছে তোমালোকৰ 4জনৰ নাম কি কো বেটা
গৰু কেটা চুৰ কৰিছে
গৰু 4-5টা চুৰি কৰিছে আজি এটা কৰিছে
কোপা কৰিছে
জোৰাবাৰীৰ পৰা বিহাৰী মানুহৰ গৰু
ৰাইজে আৰক্ষীক গতাই দিছে
ইয়েছ
Difu Gop Boys Higher Secondary School HS Final Year Lapen Wusu ke patu anat aning hang parpik abang pi sonom timung pi arta cleaner cap There ni pai pli arni kesu chelang bom pen arong che voice there ni pai truck arni mian kipi pona birta ka news along birta nang pale
Difu Gita Sharam Rong Sampriya Rong Amekar Sunil Timung Pen Rebecca Teron Pia Supi Sonam Timung Pi Men Keso Cholong Lokajok Difu Civil Hospital along Keso Kelangaphan Ponlo Sitame Keso Ketan Par Pegajok There Ni Pai Pliar Ni Adaba Pormolong Sopir Hepen Chio Nanglo Karlitang Sonam Timung Pi Men Arong Kachawayajok Apiapo Akorte Injir Adonarap Rongru Isi Pen Anparta School lapen wushu Charlie rapen ariso ejang lapen than banga tumanta alang lia por pepen arong kachewoya jok ningdu printilo alang likar jong chom rengme chom rongso ke paraplong pameji aphan ar nam hir jumya nutin abang phubang pita ke hang padu
Ada berita bang lapan sikang ton poniglo domi thangme kurwang tu